1997 Jeep Wrangler Sara. Got it for $4,000. It's pretty clean. This is going to be a full rebuild. Seems like the previous owner took good care of it. Let's see if I can get the flashlight on. Here you go. It's obviously rust, but this truck was maintained and serviced with anti-rust like every 5,000 kilometers. So it's gonna be as good as it gets. I'm sure it's full of surprise. So the only mods that the truck has is 2-inch leveling kit in the front and the Smith built reinforced fenders. The engine is like bad shape though. Engine's gonna need like a full rebuild as well. So I wanted to do a TDI, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a TDI. It's a lot of work, and I want it to be as road legal as it gets as well. So the pan's a little dusty right now, but this was like very clean. It came with no mats, so I ordered some rubber mats to fix that. But yeah, it's a little dirty right now, but it was super clean. Yeah, so the engine is quite old. Well, the truck has like over 350 kilometers. Oh, 347. Thousand kilometers. Yeah, it's in very good shape for the 48, but pardon. The engine is obviously very tired. At least as needs a ring job. Like, I think there's a lot of bypass to the pistons. The rings are probably done on it. So the plan is to strip it to the frame, fix whatever there's to do with the frame rust wise, and then rust proof it, and then rebuild it completely. So oh, the only thing is the truck was smashed. I guess the plower hit it when it was parked, so like the front bumper is smashed. And then there's a little bit of damage here. Not sure if the frame was touched, but it's gonna be things to keep in mind when I pull it apart. has 31s. I'm thinking maybe long arm suspension with 33s. It's going to be used for like daily driving, a little bit of trail on the side during the weekend. That's it. Let me know what you think. I have this is not a Rubicon, so I have like the Dana 25 in the front, I believe, and then oh no, sorry, 35 in the back and 30 in the front. So I'm already sourcing for Dana 44 for the back at least, and then it has a Detroit locker on the back as well. That's it. It's NV3550. I picked up for $100. Pretty beat up. Probably need a rebuild. So we're gonna do this to clean up the engine. The engine's pretty gunked, as you've seen before. About 2 cans, so if we need to do it twice, then we can. This stuff seemed to be pretty hardcore, so I'm gonna put a mask to do this, and then yeah, try to get to the bottom of the engine through all that grease. I have the O2 sensors code coming up, so I ordered the upstream and downstream O2 sensors to swap them, but I guess when everything is cleaned up, it's going to be easier to see like what there's to do and everything. I also like found that there's a lot of these plugs unplugged for some reason, so I'm not sure where to go yet because I have no knowledge of this truck neither, so, and it's super gunked up as well, but yeah, so clean it up and assess and fix, I guess. I have the manual, so it's just a matter of looking it up, but see, that looks super freaking crusty there. The procedure is to let it run for 2 minutes and then spray it, wash it, brush it, I mean, and then let it sit for 15-20 minutes, then rinse. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is the result after 2 bottles of degreaser for the engine. very much below my expectations. There's that very thick gunk. Well, in the engine it's a mix of bypass, engine oil, but like all around the chassis it's that like anti-rust wax or whatever it is. So I keep on covering like all these stickers, and then like this one that wasn't visible at all, and then I wish I took a picture before I sprayed it with a pressure washer, because now as soon as the pressure washer hit it, all the ink peeled. So I have no record what that sticker was saying, but it was saying something like serial number and all, but whatever. So yeah, the noise is just the air leak from my compressor. I'm blowing it after I wash it. This one's different. This one's different. It has like grooves on it. This one is, anyway. So yeah, I think most of the cleanup's gonna happen when I disassemble it, because right now it just doesn't happen. If anyone changed the O2 sensors on their Jeep, you can comment and let me know how that went. It would be much appreciated. But I guess that's it for now. Bypass in action. It's leaking like big time.